Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is May the 31st, and I just wanted to show you a little update on these little plants. So you can see they look pretty good. These are the cantaloupe seeds that we started off from scratch. And you can see they're starting to yellow because I've left them in this container much too long. They should have been transplanted about a week ago. I noticed about 3 days ago that they started changing color. I just haven't had the time to move them. So right now at this point I'm just going to put them into larger containers. And I've already done one. But I did want to show what I'm doing here. Just want to make sure that I'm on camera. Just get the spoon right underneath and pull up. And you can see all of the roots. So I'm just going to open this up and get that right in there. And that's good. It doesn't matter if a little bit of the soil falls off. It's good for the roots. It starts to aerate them and lets them know that they can start spreading out. So there we've got another one. These little pots are from flowers that I bought about a week ago, and what's nice is that you can just keep reusing these. That's a nice little size. I like this size here. So I've just taken another one out and you can see the root system. So these are really letting you know I need bigger space. I need a lot more soil. So that's what I'm doing today. And hopefully these will not be in these containers too long. I figure about another week and then I'm going to probably plant them into the actual garden area. Let's go into here. Make sure I'm on camera. Have a little scoop. Look at the roots on this. Wow. Oh, look at this. Nice roots. And then just get them apart. A little bit of a push. And I always forget, if you're into baking, you can check me out on my main baking channel, which is over at Bake Like a Pro. At this point in time, I've got just over 600,000 subscribers. I have lots of videos. If you like to bake, you can check me out there. And thank you if you do. And our last one. This one was from another pod, but it broke off, so I'll get that one in all on its own. And honestly, I think I caught these, I changed these over just a little bit too late. So I think some of them are going to die. I'm going to give these a little bit of water and right back into the sun. I'm lucky enough to have a sunny day today, so that's what's going to happen. So there we go. There's some of the nicer ones here. So these here I started off from scratch, started them off in paper towel. You can go all the way back to the beginning of these for the season 2022. And these are my cantaloupe seeds. So that's it for this really fast update. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.